How to make anyone like you in just one conversation. Do you ever have trouble making people interested in you? Do you feel like people don't want to talk to you, or they don't really care about what's going on in your life? If so, then this video is for you. It doesn't matter if you're shy, kind of awkward socially, or just can't seem to find the right words. This video will show you 14 psychological tips on how you can make others like you with ease in just one conversation. You will be able to walk away feeling confident that everyone will remember who you are. All it takes is a little bit of effort and preparation on your part. So make sure to pay close attention to the information given in this video. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Masters YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. And comment down below, I subscribed, and let us welcome you. Let's start. Number 1. Smile when you see them. The easiest way to make someone like you is to smile at them when you see them. It's a universal sign of friendliness, and it will make them feel more comfortable around you. Plus, people naturally tend to return smiles, so you'll start off the conversation on the right foot. Smiling isn't just a good way to get people to like you more. It also helps you feel happier and less stressed, which can be a big help if you're anxious about talking to someone new. Number 2. Make eye contact. When you talk to someone, it's important to look them in the eyes. Not only does this show that you're engaged and interested, but it's also a sign of respect that will make people feel more comfortable around you. If possible, try to do it when they're talking about something important or when they've just said something especially funny. It will help them know that you're listening and learning more about them. If you are unsure how to maintain eye contact the right way, here is a powerful psychological formula you can use. Maintain eye contact 50% of the time when you are speaking and 70% when you are listening. Number 3. Ask questions about them and their interests. People hate having a one-sided conversation, so it's important to ask people about themselves and their interests from time to time during a talk. This will help them feel like you're really there to get to know them and not just talk about yourself. It also gives you the chance to learn more about what they like, which can help you bond with them better. If you're not sure what kinds of questions to ask, here are a few starters. What do you like to do in your free time? What is your favorite food? What is the best trip you've ever been on? Number 4. Mirror their body language. One of the easiest ways to make someone feel like they're connecting with you is to mirror their body language. This is where you copy their gestures and posture without seeming too obvious. It will make people feel like you're really listening to them, which can make them more likely to open up and let their guard down around you. Once again, if it feels awkward or forced, don't do it or slip away from the mirror slowly but surely. Number 5. Find common ground. One of the best ways to make someone like you is to find common ground. This is where you share something in common with the other person, whether it's a hobby, an interest, or just a mutual friend. It will show them that you have things in common and that you're willing to get along with them, which can help you bond better in the long run. It's proven that people who share common ground are more likely to stay friends or be in a relationship than those who don't. So if you're looking to make someone like you, then finding common ground is key. Number 6. Respect their personal space. People tend to like others more when they respect their personal space during a conversation. When you stand too close or are constantly touching someone without asking, it can make them feel uncomfortable and crowded. Try to keep a healthy distance so that people feel comfortable around you. Just as much as personal space, try to stay away from touchy subjects such as politics and religion to begin with. These topics can be very hard to change someone's mind about if they are already set on their beliefs. Number 7. Listen more than you speak. It's important to make sure you take a back seat during conversations, even if you're someone who loves the spotlight. This will give the other person a chance to speak and learn more about them, which can go a long way towards making people like you. If it helps, write down questions you may want to ask or things that the person is saying, so you don't forget. That way, when they pause for breath or stop talking, you can jump in and start the conversation again. Number 8. Avoid controversial topics and negative judgments. If you're really serious about making someone like you in just one conversation, then avoid controversial topics and negative judgments. This means that no matter how strange or rude they may be acting, don't point it out. If you do, the person will shut down and feel like they don't want to talk with you anymore. This is a common mistake that people make when they're trying to be social. They think that the more they joke around or point out the other person's flaws, the more fun the conversation will be. However, it usually has the opposite effect and can ruin any chances you may have had of being friends. Number 9, compliment them. This one is a no-brainer, but it's still an important factor in making someone like you. People love compliments, especially when they're directed at them and not just at their appearance. Try to find something that the person has done or said that you genuinely like and compliment them on it. It will make them feel good and appreciated, which can help you become friends or develop a relationship. Once again, avoid compliments that are focused on their appearance. They may feel like it's fake and be turned off by all of your other compliments as well. Try to compliment things like their personality traits, hobbies, etc. Number 10. Be positive about other people when you speak. The last thing you want to do is be negative about other people when you talk. This will only make the person feel like they don't want to be around you and that you're not someone they can trust. Instead, try to focus on the good things that other people have done and avoid talking badly about anyone. Talking badly about someone behind their back is one of the top ways to make people dislike you, so be careful with what you say. Number 11. Display good posture and open body language. This means that your shoulders aren't hunched, you're standing up straight, and your arms aren't crossed. This will not only make you look more confident, but it will also encourage the other person to be in a better mood. If you're wondering how to do this, it's really just a matter of keeping your arms at your side. Once you start slouching or folding your arms in front of you, the other person will feel uncomfortable. Number 12. Know when to walk away. Know when to walk away from a conversation. If it's starting to feel too awkward or you're just not getting along with the person, it's best to end things before they get worse. You don't want to be rude and leave them standing there alone, so try slipping away slowly or suggesting another time to meet up. This is a great rule of thumb to follow when you're out socializing. If it's not going well, it's best to leave before it gets worse. Number 13. Prepare for a social event. The last thing to remember when talking to anyone is to prepare for a social event. If you want to be considered the life of the party, then it's important that you look and act like it. Make sure your clothes are clean and well ironed, that your breath smells fresh, and that you're prepared to talk about a variety of topics. Being socially awkward is the fastest way to ruin any chance you may have of making new friends. So make sure you're ready for anything and everything by doing your research and practicing ahead of time. Number 14. End the conversation on a positive note before leaving. Finally, leave things on a positive note before walking away. This means that if you had a great conversation with them, don't forget to let them know that you enjoyed it. Or, if things didn't go as well as you'd hoped, try to end things on a good note. Say something like, "It was nice meeting you," or "I hope we can talk again soon." This will make them feel appreciated and leave a good impression of you in their mind. It's always important to end things on a good note, not a bad one. Remember these tips the next time you find yourself trying to make someone like you. If you have made it this far, do you agree with this list? We are always happy to see your thoughts and opinions. Let us know in the comment section below. To learn more, check out other videos on this channel and the links in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.